Yes, so my name is Philip Beck. I'm Managing Director of PBI Audio Visual. We've been in the business for over 20 years now in providing solutions for home cinema and various smart home applications. Yeah, the customer contacted us via our website with some various questions about a project that he was looking for home cinema. Slightly peculiar project to start with, in trying to convert an old barn area to sort of facilitate a sort of home cinema. And from then on, obviously we met him personally with a few emails to look at the location of the room. Yeah, this took a while really to understand the room, the location, and what we had to try and achieve, and where the right products would suit the environment, and then also taking the customer to actually see and hear the project about the actual equipment at AWE. At that point, really, we could probably fine-tune the solutions for the type of speakers, for the projection, the screen, and also his requirement for seating and the rest of the room. So we had a complete package for the client. The room, the location, was the challenge. Is to come up with a solution that we could perhaps move things around a little bit to try and achieve what the customer required, with the seating, with the viewing, and also the size of screen for this slightly abnormal location. We got quite a long room. The reason why we went for Bowers Wilkins, mainly for the fact that one, they offer a great range of products, one that can also be recessed, can be painted, can also have different amount of power ratings, and the most important thing is to be able to listen and to be able to appreciate that quality of sound. Yes, we went with the Sony projectors, which we always do, mainly because we know that the quality is there. From the start to the finish, it's a projector, it's a manufacturer that offers that great quality and a great range as well, covering the various different marketplaces. But the most important thing is the fact of that wow factor of a great image, which is what the client liked. I think it's come out a fantastic room, a great experience, which I think the client enjoys on a weekly basis. He's had obviously hours of good movie time, having friends and family here, which is the most important thing when you spend the time that someone's actually going to use what you've done. So yes, he's actually really enthralled with the whole project.
Check out more videos below and support our channel by hitting the like button. If you want any of our latest videos, please remember to subscribe and check the bell icon so you'll get notified whenever our new content is released. Please leave any thoughts or questions in the comments section. Thanks for watching.